There are four calculator function keys that I will refer to throughout this brief presentation. First, note the calculator button labeled second, which when pressed allows you to access all calculator functions that are printed in green above other calculator keys. Second, notice that directly above the left parenthesis key in green is the percent function. So to access the percent function, you would first press the second function key, followed by pressing the left parenthesis key. Third, notice that directly above the right parenthesis key in green is the change a number to percent function. So to access the change a number to percent function, you would first press the second function key, followed by pressing the right parenthesis key. This function allows us to change a fraction or decimal number to a percentage, as I will demonstrate in just a few minutes. Lastly, note the calculator button with two arrowheads. This key allows us to change decimal values to fractions and vice versa. Let's now look at some examples of how these keys might be used to work with percents. Let's now see how we might use the calculator to work with percents. I'm going to start by entering in 35%. So I type in 35 and then I hit the second function key followed by the left parenthesis. Notice what that does is it accesses the green percent function that is above that key and it prints percent on the calculator screen. Now when I hit enter, notice that that value gets turned into a decimal, 35 hundredths. And that's okay because 35 hundredths is exactly the same value as 35%. In fact, I can even take the 35 hundredths and using this double arrow key that changes decimals to fractions and it also changes fractions back to decimals, I get the fraction value of 7/20. Now I'm going to hit that key one more time to turn it, our number back into a fraction. Now suppose I want to take that fraction and change that back into a percent. Well, fortunately we can do that very easily. I hit the second function key followed by the right parenthesis, which above that, notice that there is the change to percent function, and that's what appears on the calculator screen. When I now hit enter, sure enough, I now have 35% once again.